And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something.
Tag 7. Wir sind wieder am Weg.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go. Yeah, when you're feeling down and you're out, like you got
Tag 7, Stadtsammer, Camping, Gravacica. Jetzt fahren wir zum Off-Hotel 1, 1000 Höhenmeter im Gelände und dann schauen wir uns nur Burg an und dann fahren wir Camping Sipuliana. Weiß der Teil, wo das ist. Bevor es heißt. Ende, 7 und Ende.
till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now, and I know I'll be found. I don't really care just what
So, der einzige Leser in der Gruppe.
So, heutige Challenge, 7. an der Zahl. Pure Manneskraft. Sollten die Autos einmal versagen, muss man sie ja bergen können. Ziehe ein Auto über eine Strecke von mindestens 100 Metern und das nur mit Manneskraft. Jawohl! Also wie Seilziehen, nur mit einem Auto. Die Strecke wird vorher ausgemessen und eine Ziellinie markiert.
voice in your ear, can you start to see clear? Are the bad thoughts near? Or can you be where your feet are when you stand right here and say no? I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up, never loses to a foe. The one that could show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop me. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, motor, never slower. Good to know ya, don't go make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe. It's in the mind that you feed, it's in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me. And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah. Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me if you wanna be something. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Keep thriving, surviving. Nothing's in your way but yourself. Don't need nobody's help. You can make it through this.
Challenge Tag 7. Bereit? 35 Grad im Schaden, glaube ich. Ziehen wir. Ist hier geht drauf. Geht schon. Go. Jawohl.
Sometimes all we really need is hope.
Geht schon! Geh mal! Und Rötleine, jawohl! Jawohl!
Let's go! Punk rock and Cobain is how we grew up. K-pop is insane, I was such a screw up. The 90s held such better times. Weezer, Blink, Rage Against, and of course Sublime. Had a crush in school, oh man she was so fine. I had a couple dudes, we kick it every night. We drink a couple brews and get into a fight. If I could go back to that, man, I'd be alright. Yeah, I'd take it all back for you. I've been beating up black and blue. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back, that's the truth. Yeah, take it all back for you. I've been beating up black and blue. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back, that's the truth. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back, that's the truth. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back.
Warte, das ist ein richtig großer Start.
Man, they never last. So recognize when you're in a man, not the last. Screws the glass, just get a pass. C's get degrees, you got a life to have. Roll up to the party in a Hummer. one, we do it all for pleasure. Liquor over lectures, bigger over lesser. Never gonna say never, we go out whenever. Drinking way too much, pass out again. Wake up the next day with a few more friends. I'll do it all again, I hope this never ends. Cause memories are the keys to a time well spent. Yeah, take it all back for you. I've been beating up black and blue. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back, that's the truth. Yeah, take it all back for you. I've been beating up black and blue. Yeah, I know what I have to do. Never roll back.
Kurz Zeit fürs Tagesmotto.
Sei es wie es sei, stirbt Kuh, bleibt's hei. Stirbt der Esel auch, ist der Stadel auch.
Danke.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third day. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're okay. You learn from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school, we thought we were so cool. We'd steal Jack, my dad's stash, and drink the whole night through. The first time you first moved, dad's new job, a new roof, new student, made new friends, a new start, a new you. I guess things could be worse. Dad's in sales and my mom is a nurse. Yeah, family comes first. Remember all the good, forget about
Tag 8, letzte Challenge.
Ja, Challenge, Tag 8, also 8. Challenge. Sei ein echter Pleitegeier. Wie sieht das Outfit eines echten Pleitegeiers aus? Gute Frage. Besuche ein Bekleidungsgeschäft und sei kreativ. Es sind keine mitgebrachten Kleidungsstücke erlaubt. Alles muss in einem Geschäft erworben werden. Behalte das Outfit mindestens 3 Stunden an, um diese Challenge zu schaffen.
Ja, muss ich machen.
Fotos an die MPG Balkan Gruppe.
Shit.
It's that time that you got caught. You snuck out and forgot. Your parents were so mad, but man, she was so hot. That time you got too drunk. The first time you blew chunks. It's okay, we all drank too much when we're too young. The first time you held hands. Your first time in romance. You thought you had no chance, but still asked her to dance. The time that you moved out. Your parents were so proud and waving goodbye. They held back their tears somehow. All lives are the same, but we can work together and we can make a change.
So, jetzt gehen wir mal da ein shoppen mit den Behinderten davon.
Ich kann nicht abdrücken.
Ich glaube, ich bin eher da daheim. Aber ich weiß schon nicht. Merkt man Kess. 7-facher Staatsmeister in Oberdeutschland.
Challenge Tag 8. Erledigt. Unser Auto hat vielleicht schon leichte Turbulenzen, ich weiß nicht. Der Spalt ist nicht normal. Oh ja, das kann man noch holen.
Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her like it was yesterday. She was so beautiful to me. In my mind sometimes I'll run away to this time back in history. She reminds me of
Also mal ein wenig.
Wie war das Zeitzug da nicht?
And I know we just met, yeah, yeah. But I heard that love at first sight ain't a myth. Oh no, yeah. I wanna take you out on a dance floor, girl. I wanna hear you screaming out for some more, girl. I wanna do something that they call crazy. Call you my baby, my pretty lady. I wanna be with you until we're fucking 80. I wanna watch the sunset.
Wir haben es geschafft.
Back to all the better days when I used to be young and free. I remember her.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Danke übrigens. Das reicht, herzlichen Glückwunsch.
Da kannst du keine beißen und sehen.
Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Herr Tuller, gut haben Sie es gemacht. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, Herr Bahnhofer.
Dankeschön. Unsere Dame im Spiel. Herzlichen Glückwunsch, Herr Raffezähler.
Dankeschön, Dankeschön.
Ich habe gewonnen. Die erste mein ganzes Leben.
Prost, auf eine ruhige Tour.
Prost.
Super, auf das Ganze müssen wir jetzt einmal reingehen.
Was trinken Sie da?
Mischmasch.
In Italien.
Hä?
In Italien.
In Italien. Das will ich nicht, aber das darfst du keinen sagen.
Okay.
And we'll never stop chasing the sun. That's right. On the run, we ain't done till we find what we want. So we can stop anytime.